Okay guys, let's talk. So within the past few weeks, I've been having a lot going on. I also have some medical issues, so I'm dealing with that. And also, I'm still working on a new series I'm really excited for you guys to see. I'm using some clear food wrap, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my doll. Well, I'm sure, as you all know, Halloween is right around the corner, my personal favorite time of year. And for my video concepts, we're going to be doing goth themed clothes, accessories, and who knows, maybe we'll throw some costumes along the way. But up until Halloween, we will be doing more darker themed accessories and clothes, and I really hope you guys enjoy that. Now, the tape I'm using has more like a paper feel to it. I really forgot what's it called and I feel so bad, but when I remember it, I'll link it down in the description or put it at the bottom of the screen. But technically I'm kind of like draping this on to the wrap. I'm so bad at explaining things, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So after I've draped it around, I'm gonna draw my design with a pencil. Here's the best part about using a pencil is if you make a mistake, you can just simply erase it off. And there, it's all gone. So I went back over it with a pen. Now I can cut it out.
There's nothing left to say. Nothing you could do. There is no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep moving on. You know you'll make it through. I've suffered, I'm done waiting here for you.
Here's everything cut out. I picked the side that I thought looked best, and now we can trace it onto fabric. Now I'm using red fabric, but I will probably rather use black. But I really have a bad camera, so trying to do it on black fabric, the camera really won't catch it. I'm laying everything on the opposite side. After I've cut it out, I'm gonna sew each of these together. Okay, so for the top part, I have my 4 pieces, and now we're gonna do the darting. If you don't know what darts are, I'm folding it like this. Then I'm gonna sew right along with the slant. I know it's very difficult to understand what I'm saying, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Now that we're done with our darts, we can sew the 2 together. After you are done sewing, be sure to leave an opening at the bottom so you can flip it inside out. And here's how it looks. Now we're going to add it to the bottom part of the top. So this part's a little difficult because we're attaching it to a curve, so you're going to need to maneuver the fabric a bit. Now I'm taking the thread out of the corners, and I'm adding a ribbon. And I'm just gonna glue it in place. Right on the edge. Adding glue to a ribbon. I'm gonna close it up. While keeping a tiny opening. Making sure I keep the opening open and I don't close it. Now I can glue that to the other corner. To keep it secure, I'm going to sew along the edge. Flattening out the middle a bit so I can get to the bottom. Onto the bottom, I am ironing everything flat with my straightening iron. Or should I call it my hair straightener? Whichever works, I guess. Now that I've hemmed it, I attach both pieces from backside. And now I'm just gonna hem the top. Now that that's all done, so I got a thin ribbon from Walmart. I know my chip nail polish is bugging you because it is bugging me, but I'm too lazy to go back and wait for it to dry, so we're just gonna work through it. So this is going to be a lace up top. So I'm adding ribbon to the middle. To make sure it's secure, I use needle and thread. Now I'm going to add more ribbon just to add a bit more detail.
You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time, ain't chasing stars.
Now it's time to do a choker. I'm going to measure it on my doll's neck, see how long I need it.
Wasting your time, ain't chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away.
Okay, great. To seal the ribbon edge, I'm using a lighter. Adult supervision is required if you're not an adult already. But if you want to use the safe side, you can always glue it. Never put the ribbon on the flame, just put it close enough to it. And it keeps it from fraying. Got a smaller piece of ribbon, closing it up. But I still want an opening. So I'm adding a needle. And I'm just going to keep it sitting there until it dries. I found these rings at Walmart. These are for necklaces and stuff. But there's different sizes. I got the smallest one. And I'm just going to attach the ribbon to it. Smallest piece is done drying. Now I'm gonna glue that right in the middle of the choker. Okay, so now I'm gonna add another ring. This is the smallest size. again, I am gonna put it through the loop. Doing the same with the strap. Now I have some chain. I got it from Walmart again. And I'm just gonna cut it. Using scissors, it will work. Just be careful with scissors you use. Now I'm gonna add it to the ring and to the top. Okay, let's try it on the doll now. So I'm using yarn and I'm just going to lace up the top. And here's how it looks, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I personally think it's so cute. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I'm trying my hardest to do a lot of posting. Thinking about doing a harness next time. Let me know down in the comments below on what you guys like to see, and I'll see you later. Bye!